Welcome to Scratch tutorial with the YT episode 1. So in today's video we'll be making a simple game using Scratch, and by making this game you can learn motion, events, controls and sensing. Okay, let's start. So here's how the game should work out. There should be a cat and there should be an apple which can randomly spawn in the map or in the screen, and the cat should be able to move around and take the apple, which will end the game. So let's start. Right, so to start, let's take events. Click on events bar in the chord menu and take out this when the game starts or when green flag clicked block from the events menu and put it on here. So this is whenever we click the green flag on the right side, everything under this block will be running. Okay, so first of all we need the cat to run throughout the game. So let's go to control and take forever and put it there. Now how do we move? Movement works in Scratch like this. So there is two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinates. X coordinates is left and right, so left and right, it is a horizontal movement, and the y coordinate is a vertical movement, up and down. Positive x, if we are moving positive x, it is to the right. Negative x is to the left. Positive y is to the up, negative y is down. So next, in control bar itself we can see if block, and in there you can see this little space over there. In that we can put if. From sensing, it's sensing is the bar in which the Scratch will know if any of, like, the computer is inputting something. Okay, so we are inputting something to the computer. So from there let's take this key space pressed and put it in this if. So if key, let's change it to up arrow pressed, then we need to move. So move will be in the motion bar, and in motion bar you can see, if we scroll down you can see change x by, but as you can see I chose up arrow, so up means positive y, so change y by 10. Now let's duplicate this and change this up arrow to down arrow, and change y by positive 10 to negative 10. So now if I run this, if I click this green flag or go, as you can see everything under this green flag is running. So forever, it's happening forever. If I click up arrow, I am going up. The y coordinate of the character is changing by 10. Now down means negative 10. Y coordinate is changing by negative 10. Now let's copy this 2 and change this up arrow and down arrow to right arrow and left arrow, and change y by some number to change x by positive 10 for right arrow and negative 10 for left arrow. Now we have controls for motion for all direction. As you can see, up arrow going up, down arrow going down, right arrow going right, left arrow going left. Okay, all right. Next I'm going to change my x and y position to 0 0, which is the middle at the start of the game. Otherwise we'll be spawning in some random position that the other player has left us in. So let's go to x 0 0 in the start, and then we can change the up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. So let's try. We are in the middle first, and we can go to some random position, and when we stop and we start, we are in the middle again. Okay, now next one is the apple's code. So I need the apple to apple to spawn randomly in the map. And to do that, let's first of all put drag the when green flag clicked to the chord space. And the next thing is you can go to the motion, because I need to go to random position. So motion, and as you can see there is a block called go to random position. And the next thing I want the apple to do is, when this cat is touching this apple, I need this apple to disappear and stop the game. So let's see that. Let's try that. When touch, so let's put forever, and if touching the cat. So we can from sensing, let's put this here, touching, and let's change the mouse point to cat. So go to random position when the game when green flag clicked, go to random position, and forever if touching the cat, then what should I do? I should disappear. So let's go to look and hide, and when the game start I should show myself. And then what should I do? I should stop the entire game. So from control, let's drag and drop stop all. So now let's try this game. The apple is in a random position, touching, it disappears, and the game is stopped. You can do that again. There you go. It's a fun little game. It's a beginner game that you can try out and you can make and maybe add some of your own ideas into this. So I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Thank you.